All right, so let's talk about area and perimeter of rectangles and how we can find them when we have polynomial side lengths. Okay, so quick reminder, I know you've done this before. Area is just the length times width. That's your equation for finding area of something. All right, and what area is like how much total space there is. Okay, so this would be like if you want to like cover a floor with carpeting. Okay, you would want to know how much area there is. Okay, so that's kind of the whole area versus perimeter. Perimeter is when you add up all the side lengths of your rectangle. Okay, and that's like if you want to like build a fence. So if you wanted to build a fence around your yard, that would be perimeter because you don't cover every single inch of your backyard, right? Which you would with area. When you're building a fence, you just go around the outside. So area is covering the whole thing. Perimeter is just going around the outside. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to find the area and perimeter of each of these rectangles. So to find the area of this rectangle, the first thing that we want to recognize is that this side has to be the same as this side, and this side has to be the same as that side, right? Well, to calculate your area, you just do length times width, and we know how to multiply polynomials, right? So I'm going to set this up where I'm drawing a different rectangle for my expansion box. I'm going to put the 3x on this side and the x minus 5 on this side. And then I'm just multiplying to fill in each box. So 3x times x, that's going to be 3x squared. And 3x times negative 5 is going to be negative 15x. So my area is just 3x squared minus 15x. Okay, so that's easy, right? We found our area. And then the next thing that I want to find is perimeter. Now, perimeter, there's two ways you can find it. You can either add up all of the side lengths, all 4 of them, or you can just say, well, there's 2 of these and there's 2 of those. Okay, either way works. So to find the perimeter, again, you can do this either way, either add up all 4 sides, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, there's 2 3x side lengths. And then there's also 2x minus 5 side lengths. Okay, so that is what I'm going to combine together. So I have to multiply here. That's going to be 6x. This is like a distributive property. So that's going to be a 2x minus 10. And then these two are like terms, so I can put them together. And that's going to be 8x minus 10. There's my perimeter. Okay, so this is not much new. We've pretty much already done this. You've done area before, you've done perimeter before, you've done multiplying polynomials, you've done adding polynomials. We're just tying it all together. All right, so this guy here. So again, if this side's 2x plus 1, so is this side. And if this side is x minus 4, so is that side. So I'm going to start by finding my area. And I'm going to use an expansion box. I want to make sure that I have 2 spots on each side, so I can write the x and the minus 4, and then the 2x and the plus 1. And I'm going to multiply to fill my boxes. So x times 2x is 2x squared. All right, and let me actually switch colors really quick. So this is 2x squared. When I multiply these guys, x times 1, that's just 1x. 2x times negative 4, negative 8x. And negative 4 times 1, negative 4. Don't forget, check for your like terms, usually on diagonals. So my area is just going to be 2x squared, and then negative 8x plus 1x, so 8 fires, 1 bucket of water, that's 7 fires, and then minus 4. All right, easy enough. That was my area. And now for perimeter, again, you can either add up all 4 of the side lengths, or what I like to do is just say, well, I've got 2 side lengths that are x minus 4, right? That one and that one. And then I also have 2 side lengths that are 2x plus 1, that one and that one. I'm going to do just a couple of quick distributive properties. That'll be 2x minus 8. That'll be 4x plus 2. And then I'm going to combine my like terms. So 2x plus 4x is 6x. Negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6. Notice that I'm not like subtracting 4 from both sides, because both sides of what? There's no equal sign, right? If anything, my equal sign's up here, right? So I don't want to subtract the 4x from here and from here because they're both on the same side. Okay, so that's it. That's my perimeter. And that's how you find area and perimeter of rectangles when you have polynomials involved.